It's high time that I try to get this thing going again. The problem I'm running into with this thing is I can't figure out how to get the seat off, which is the only way I have access to the battery. I lost the key when I wrecked the bike. I laid it over. We finally had a new key made. Is there another keyhole somewhere? Ah, keyhole. Found a keyhole. The battery is so dead that it won't stay on without charging. But it was dead when I bought the bike, so need to get a new battery for it. A couple cosmetic things. Should be good to go. It's ready now. Now we got some daylight. We'll go track down the battery for it. Later today, wife and I are taking the kids to their grandmother's house so that she can watch them for a couple hours while we go do our taxes. So I'm gonna try to get it running so I can ride it out there. It's gonna be a nice day. It's gonna be in the upper 70s. A little breezy, but nothing crazy. Be a good day for a ride. way more expensive than it should have been. AT&T is down nationwide. And I'm not from Fort Smith. We've lived in Spiro for about 5.5, 6 years. But we don't come here all the time. And when we do, usually we go to the same couple places and we know where that stuff is. But anytime you're trying to go somewhere new, you use the internet. So I just drove around until I kind of know it enough to know that most things are on like Townsend, Rogers, or Zero Street, or Jenny Lynn. So I just hit Rogers and I found which is funny, I'm Roger, but Rogers Ave, and I found an AutoZone and a Honda place. Honda isn't open for another 35 minutes. And I don't know where anything else is, so I'm just gonna wait, I guess. Fun. Anxious to ride the thing. It's been kind of staring at me all sad and broken for 2 years. It'd be good to get it out on the road again. And part of me just wants to ride it so I'm not afraid of it, because I know what happens. Like, yes, accidents can happen on a bike at any time, but what happened was just kind of a stupid move and kind of a freak accident. I shouldn't have been out on the road, but there was a possibility of ice anywhere. I thought all the ice, most of it had melted. I could avoid the patches. It didn't work out that way. Ooh. I'm trying to find a cat because both the keys were lost during the wreck. I picked the lock to get it off there, but I don't have to pick the lock every time I need to get fuel. I was looking, maybe I could take it apart and take the locking mechanism off. But I don't have a screwdriver here. There's supposed to be one in that glove box, and there's not. Hey, key works. Yeah. I might have just saved myself 50 bucks. Yeah. I can just take the locking mechanisms out. Let me head home now. Get this thing installed. Maybe take it around the block a couple times. it's the next day. It's actually go back to the truck day. I got this thing running yesterday, and I went down to the gas station and put gas in it, and I couldn't get it going for a while, and the battery went dead trying to get it to go. So I had to wait for the wife to come down and get me a jumper cables, and then we figured out it was the kickstand kill switch was bad. I had to cut it and wire it together so it would run. But my phone died, and then we had to go to my mom's. I rode the bike to Heavener and back. It's like a 30-mile trip there and back. And then parked for the day. But I didn't get any footage of riding it, so we're going to try to get it start it today, take it for a little ride, and then... Oof, that sounds pretty dead. Well, so far, so good. There's the choke. Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh, so close. I edited what video I had last night, and it seemed disappointing to not see it ride other than just leaving the garage. Barely.
Rose, move. Move. Move.